We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2021 Mercedes E-Class Coupe protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So a thief gets this key, goes to steal your vehicle. They're going to get it started up, but they're not going to be able to drive it away because it's just locked in park. So we try and select a gear. It's not going anywhere until we prove that it's us by going through a push sequence. So we have a nice simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a flash from that side light, and then we can select our gear and drive away, and the vehicle remains in gear. When we turn it off, the system activates straight away, confirmed with 2 flashes. And if someone tried to steal your keys off you as soon as you pulled up somewhere and steal your vehicle, take it away, it's immobilising instantly. So our code is 1, 2, 3, 4, totally up to the customer, totally unique. We get a flash on the side light and we can select a gear and drive away. If this goes back to Mercedes for a service and you want the system off, you don't want the immobiliser to be there, you don't want to give your code over, you just want it to be a normal car, that can be done. So with this, on the Mercedes, your foot off the brake, we'll double tap the start button to get all the ignition lights on. We'll then pop our code in and we'll hold the last button for 15 seconds. So as you see, we've got 1 flash to confirm our code. We keep the button held until we get 5 flashes on the dash, and this puts it into service mode, which makes it a complete normal car as if you don't have an immobiliser fitted. So we've got our 5 flashes. It's now in service mode, which makes it a normal vehicle. So Mercedes can start it up, drive it round their workshop, service it, do whatever's needed, and you don't need to hand over your code and make your code unsecure. When you get your vehicle back, you've got to remember to turn this on because it doesn't expire. So to do that is the same process: foot off the brake, tap the start button once or twice depending on your car till all your lights come on, pop your code in and hold the last button just like you did before. The only difference is you're not going to get a flash straight away. We'll keep it held, and when it comes out of service mode, we're waiting for just 1 flash. So we'll keep the button held. We've got that, and now the system's active. We're back to normal. When we turn it off, we get our double flash activation. And once we've got it home, the system's back on. Just give it a test, make sure you turn it back on. We try and pop it in gear without our code, and the vehicle's going nowhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we get our flash, we can drive away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a 2021 Mercedes E-Class protected with a Halo Mini. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.